What if the parents of Waqifah asking her to withdraw from the Waqfe Nau scheme while she insists to be a Waqifah? Jazakumullah.
You see, your parents offered your life for the cause of the Jamaat before your birth.
Yes.
And when you were born, then they told the Jamaat that now we had a girl or boy, whatever it is, and we want to offer her or him for the Jamaat as a Waqfe Nau. And at the age of 15, you renew your bond when you are quite mature and sensible that you want to continue your waqf. When you finish your education, you say that you will continue your waqf. So, when you are mature and you have entered the age of maturity and you have entered in lajnah at the age of 15, then you can take your own decision. Whether your parents like it or not, now it is up to you that you want to continue your waqf or not. They have done their duty when you were young, but now when you are matured, you have to take your own decision. This is why we say that Waqfe Nau or Waqfe Nau should renew their bond of Waqfe Nau at the age of 15, then renew it further at the age of 21 or after completing your education. So if you want to continue, then it is up to you. If you want to break this bond, it is also up to you. Your parents cannot say that you break it. Waqfe Nau or Waqfe Nau themselves have to decide whether they want to continue their waqf or want to break this bond. What do you do?
I'm on freelancing at Ismail magazine.
Now, Ismail magazine is Jamaat's magazine or?
Yes.
A Waqfe Nau magazine.
Waqfe Nau magazine.
Acha. Ismail is for boys and you are girl. You should work for Maryam magazine, not Ismail. Ismail is for boys. Let the boys do it. And you should start your own magazine with the name Maryam. Ask the men that they should continue with their magazine Ismail. And we are not going to help men. We shall start our own magazine with the name Maryam for Waqfat Nau girls.
Inshallah.
Right?
Inshallah, Huzur.
Your men are lazy, they want to put their burden on your shoulder. Right? Ask your men that do your own work and we are going to do our own work.
Yeah, inshallah.
Okay?